Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, a really dramatic cut crease. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, if you want to know step by step what I did, what products I used, then make sure you stay tuned and let's get into this video, girl. So first I'm going to start off with some tape on my corners of my eyes and some concealer on my lids. And then I'm going to dip into this really dark purple shade from the Tarte Pro palette. And I'm going to use this to kind of outline my cut crease to see like where I want it to be. And it's okay if it's not perfect because, you know, anything that's like doesn't look like it belongs is going to get covered up with concealer anyway. So now I'm taking some hot pink eyeshadow, and this is in the BH Cosmetics palette, the one that has 120 colors. And I'm using this to diffuse that purple that we put down already and just blend it out and get this look, you know, going somewhere. Now dip it into my NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to take this red that was right next to the pink. So it's kind of like a mix between a hot pink and a really dark red. And I'm also going to use this to blend out that purple. And I'm keeping this more so like in the crease area. Then I'm going to take some concealer and pretty much make my cut crease. So I wanted this to be really dramatic. So I brought the cut crease all the way over to the tape, of course. And I brought it up a little bit higher than I normally do my regular cut creases. So now taking some more of that pink, I'm just going to put that along the edges just to kind of diffuse it a little bit, like to blur it out, because I don't like the lines being too sharp on the edges of the cut crease, if that makes any sense. Then I went into the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and I'm going to take the color Peaches and Cream, and that's what I'm going to set the concealer with, and that's all I'm going to put on that concealer. I'm not going to put any other colors down because I want this to be a nude cut crease, and I want that pink to really like be like the main thing. So I'm not going to put anything else on the concealer besides the glitter that I'm going to add. So as I said before, I'm going to take some NYX glitter and some NYX glitter glue adhesive, and I mix them two together, and I'm just going to outline my cut crease, kind of like the same thing I did with the dark purple, except I'm using this with the glitter. And I'm going to take this all the way over the entire cut crease, all the way to the tape.
Lesher on the beat.
Now taking some NYX eyeliner, I'm going to make a wing liner, and I'm going to also bring this all the way over to the tape just to make this look even more dramatic. And the tape really just helps a lot with keeping everything sharp and making it just look so perfect and professional. So that's why I like to use tape a lot in a lot of my looks. So now I'm going to take this tape off my eyes and work on the rest of the eyes and everything else. So I'm going to take some pink, the same pink that I used in the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to just put that under my lash line and just smoke it out a little bit just to create, you know, a little bit of depth underneath my eyes. Because I was going to leave it plain, but then I thought, you know, like, let me, you know, take the extra step and, you know, just add some more color to this. So now for my skin, my face, everything else, I'm going to take the Baby Skin by Maybelline primer and the Fenty Beauty foundation. I got the color 330 on the internet. I ordered it online. I didn't know that 330 was not my color. I thought it was. So I know I look orange, but I figured out a way to finesse this foundation, y'all. So don't be dragging me in the comments, you know, while you're watching the video talking about how orange I look. I know I look orange right now, but I figured out a way to make it not look so orange, and I'm about to show you guys right now. So I just take a lot of concealer, a really light colored concealer. This is also by Maybelline. And I'm going to use that to kind of diffuse this orangeness that's going on and to tone it down because it's a little intense. So yeah. And I'm taking a Real Technique sponge and I'm going to just blend this out. And I'm blending it, a lot more than I normally would if I wasn't trying to correct a foundation, if that makes sense. So I put a lot of concealer down and I'm just going to blend this everywhere. Now I'm taking some Airspun setting powder. I'm going to set all of that. And this is also going to help to kind of tone down that orange. By the time I'm done with everything, like powders and stuff like that, it's going to look like my skin tone. So I'm going to contour my face out a little bit with some powder in the color Cocoa. And then I'm also taking some face powder from Maybelline. And this is in the color 330 as well, I believe. I'll make sure I list it below. But I'm using that to dust away the powder and to, get rid of the white cast that might be left behind. And it's going to make it look, more skin-like and not so cakey. So there you go. As you can see, I'm not super orange anymore. So now I'm going to contour my nose out a little bit with that same cocoa powder that I used to contour the rest of my face. And I'm going to set my face with my favorite makeup setting spray by Makeup Revolution. Then highlight my face with some Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color Snow. And I'm going to put that on my nose, my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and then I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil like I always do.
On the beat. Cash Lesher on the beat. Cash Lesher.
And then I'm going to take some liquid eyeshadow by Stila, and this is in the color Perlina, and I'm going to just put this all over my lips just to give me a little bit of a shimmer. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you don't miss any more of my uploads. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.